Last week, a Filipino family moved in right down the street from us, and ever since then, every day, there's been loud music, people coming and going, cars lining the street. And yesterday, I looked out the window and there's some kind of house blessing going on or something. There's a priest outside and there's a huge group of people, maybe 100 people standing around. And a few minutes later, I hear the music again. People start singing. So I decide I'm gonna go down there. I walk down there, knock on the door, and this little old 4'8" lady comes to the door. She's got a plate of food in her hand. She hands it to me. Lechon, pancit, lumpia. Before I knew it, 4 hours had gone by. I had a red horse in one hand and a microphone in the other. I was singing Mariah Carey. Probably about midnight by the time I finally got home. My name is Jake, and before the end of the night, they were calling me Jake. I mean, now I'm just wondering, when's the next party? Filipinos, I don't know how they do it.